Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the benefits of chia seeds. These tiny seeds can make a huge difference in your life. Boost your energy, support heart health, improve digestion, and more. Packed with essential nutrients, your body will thank you. Stay tuned for the top 10 ways chia seeds can change your life. First up, let's talk about what makes chia seeds so special. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with fiber, essential for a healthy gut and keeping you full. And that's not all. Chia seeds are also a great source of plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals. Stick around to learn how these amazing nutrients can benefit your health. Let's talk about antioxidants. They are like superheroes for your cells, fighting harmful free radicals. And guess what? Chia seeds are packed with them. These antioxidants protect your cells, lowering your risk of chronic diseases. It's like having an army of tiny protectors inside you. Trying to shed a few pounds? Chia seeds might be your new secret weapon. Fiber plays a key role in weight management. It absorbs water and expands in your stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied longer. This can prevent overeating and cravings. Chapter 4. Happy Gut, Happy Life. A healthy gut is crucial for well-being, and chia seeds can work wonders for digestion. That amazing fiber we keep talking about, it's like a super cleaner for your digestive tract. Chia seeds help keep things moving smoothly, preventing constipation. A happy gut means a happier you. Chapter 5. A healthy heart beats for chia. Chia seeds can play a delicious role in keeping your heart strong. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for heart protective benefits. Omega-3s help lower bad cholesterol and reduce inflammation, and can even lower blood pressure. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is like giving your heart a big, warm hug. Chapter 6. Strong Bones, Happy Life. Strong bones are essential for an active life, and chia seeds help build and maintain them. They're rich in bone-building minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals support bone density and strength, keeping you moving for years to come. Chapter 7. Blood sugar control is essential for everyone, and chia seeds can help manage your levels. Remember that amazing fiber we talked about? It works wonders here too. The fiber in chia seeds slows sugar absorption, preventing energy spikes and crashes. This helps people with type 2 diabetes or those managing blood sugar naturally. Feeling sluggish? Chia seeds to the rescue. These little seeds are a natural energy booster. The protein, fiber, and healthy fats provide sustained energy, keeping you going strong without sugary drinks or caffeine. Healthy skin reflects a healthy body, and chia seeds can help you achieve that radiant glow. Packed with antioxidants, they fight free radical damage, protecting your skin from aging. Omega-3 fatty acids keep your skin hydrated and supple. It's like a mini spa treatment from the inside out. You might be wondering, how do I eat these tiny seeds? Chia seeds are versatile and easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle them on salads, stir them into yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or make delicious chia seed pudding. The possibilities are endless. There you have it, folks. 10 amazing ways chia seeds can change your life. From boosting your energy and supporting your heart health, to improving your digestion and giving you glowing skin, these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. Upgrade your health with chia seeds. Start incorporating them into your diet and see the amazing benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you next time.